How to increase the credit limit in Bank of America. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to increase your credit limit with Bank of America, so make sure to watch until the very end to learn everything you need to know. So there are a few ways to request your credit limit increase with the Bank of America. First of all, you have to go to the official website of Bank of America banking portal and sign into your account. Then select your credit card account and look for the request a credit line increase option under the card details in the account summary section, and follow the instructions and provide the requested information including your income and the reason for the increase. You may also receive an immediate decision on the Bank of America, or the Bank of America may review your request over a few days. They will consider your credit history, your income, and other factors when making a decision. You can also call the number printed on the back of your Bank of America credit card, speak to a customer service representative, and tell them that you would like to request a credit limit increase. Provide the same information as you would online, and including your income and the reason for your request. The representative will review your request and inform if you have been approved. Additionally, there are some tips to improve your chances of getting approved for the credit limit increase. Always make your payments on time, and this shows responsible credit behavior and can enhance your chances of approval. So use your credit card regularly and maintain a solid credit score. So that's it. Consider this option to increase your credit limit with the Bank of America. Thanks for watching and see you next time.